It's happened. The bed frame came. They mailed it with the actual mailman in his little bitty mail car. Not sure why they did that. It's a queen bed frame, and they mailed it with our, like, with your power bill. Anyhow, there we are. So, I'm gonna go build it and let you know how it goes. So right now our room is nothing because we had to throw a lot of our shit away. You know, as mold will have you do once it takes over your whole life. So I'm about to build the bed frame. I'll check in with you a time or two, maybe, possibly, and let you know how it's going. Alright, so it's done. Got 18 inches under the bed. Bunch of crap from the box to clean up. This is actually really easy, like non-sponsored, of course, because no one's ever sponsored me before. But I vouched for this bed. So at the exact same time, my roommate bought some cat steps for her 15-year-old cat, Nedic, to get up and down on these really tall beds that we've gotten for our household. So I'm gonna build those for her for when she gets home. So the cat stairs are coming together pretty well. Mission to acquire a fridge is underway. So we got that fridge set up and it didn't work. So that super sucks, but I guess now we have a temporary extra fridge on the carport. It's rough. So unfortunately the fridge situation didn't quite work out like we wanted it to. So it's now sitting outside on the carport. And we're so refrigeratorless. But full of love. But full of love. So, since our refrigerator thing didn't work out, we're gonna have a fire outside tonight and just hang out. Because we still have to figure out our refrigerator situation. Fire pit.
Carpet.
Fire pit.
Oh, fire pit.
It's like carpet. So yeah, so the moving process at this point is over. We've been here for exactly a week. Yeah. Now we're just really honestly trying to just enjoy the property in which we've gotten ourselves into. Dexter. Look for escape holes. He's like, maybe I'm tired.
Oh, yeah, maybe he's tired.
Oh God. So I think we can call this the conclusion of our mold journey. I don't know about these guys, but I had lots of fun. It was a real good time.
As long as we don't spread it in a pile, as long as we spread it.
I was just telling the camera how much of a good time we had with our mold situation.
Such a good time.
Yeah, such a good time. So we're gonna call this the conclusion of that little journey.
Enough to